Hey guys, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be telling you my 4 favorite brushes and how I use them to decorate cakes. Quick shout out to Melinda, who first gave me the idea of making a video tutorial about brushes. Thank you, Melinda. Great idea. The first brush I'm going to show you is the angled brush from the Wilton 5-piece decorating brush set. This brush has lots of uses, but my favorite thing to use it for is to splatter edible paint. This is most often used to make stars on a galaxy cake, but I'm going to show you how to use it, how to make dots on this cute fondant toadstool mushroom. So first take some gel icing color, and then you're going to mix in some vodka, Everclear, lemon extract, or you can use vegetable oil if you can't use alcohol. And you're just doing this to thin it out enough so it'll splatter nicely. With the longest bristles facing you, you simply flick the bristles with your pointer finger and you're good to go. The more saturated your brush is with paint, the bigger dots it'll make. The next brush is a part of the Wilton 2-piece dusting brush set. I'm going to use a smaller one. It looks a lot like an eyeshadow brush. So as the name tells you, this brush is for dusting. It's for dusting color dust. I'm going to be using Wilton color dust in this video. It's most often used on gum paste flower petals to make it look more realistic, but I'm going to show you how I dusted the mushrooms on this cake. All you do is put a little dust on your brush. I usually tend to go in a circular motion, and it gives a nice realistic look. And you dust them after they've dried, by the way. Next, I'm going to show you how I use the big dusting brush in this set, the one that looks like a blush brush. This brush is great for applying gold leaf. The gold leaf sheet sticks really nicely to the brush, but then it also comes off nicely from the brush onto your cake surface. Ugh, I love gold leaf so much. Next up, we've got the wide flat brush from, again, the 5-piece set. I like to use this brush the most for painting because it covers fast and evenly. I'm going to show you how I use it with gold because gold is my favorite color. So I've got some gold dust and I just added some Everclear, or you could do vodka, lemon extract, or vegetable oil. If you'd like to know which gold dust I use, just check out my video description below. If you'd like to know how I made the cakes in this video, I put links in the video description below as well. If you have an idea for a video you'd like to see, just leave me a comment. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you next time.